nasasaksihan ng ating mga kabataan ngayon. Mahirap nang ihanda ang kanilang magandang kinabukasan. Matinding paghubog at paghahanda ang kailangan upang ang ating mga kabataang lalaki ay maggabayat sa tamang daan tungo sa magandang kinabukasan. Kailangan din ng paghubog ng isipan na talino o intellectual formation.
Yung academic sa seminaryo ay magaling talaga siya. That's how the academic in the seminary could be described. Aside from the academic, it's really the formation of a person. Alam naman nila na hindi lahat magiging pare. Pero kahit lumabas ka doon, dala-dala mo pa rin yung formation. Alam pa rin natin kung ano ang tama. And we hold on to that goodness because we were taught that way.
My life in the seminary prepared me for the challenges that I'm facing now at work.
All my training in the seminary helped me in crafting a good program for the Ateneo de Naga Law School.
At the Holy Rosary Minor Seminary, education goes deeper. So whether you become a priest or not, you are expected to become men of faith, character, discipline, and mission. It's not just about preparing your kids for college. It's about preparing them for life, and most importantly, preparing them for service. Holy Rosary Minor Seminary, it's a formation community for leadership and for mission.
Holy Rosary Seminary, 2 siglo na naghahanda at naghuhubog ng mga kabataang lalaki tungo sa magandang kinabukasan.
Ito po si Archbishop Rex. Inaanyayahan kayo sa pagtuklas ng bukasyon, panawagan ng Panginoon. Baka tinatawag kayo na maglingkod bilang pari. Maglingkod sa simbahan, sa community, sa mga nangangailangan. Tara na, and let us discern kung ano ang panawagan sa atin.
Holy Rosary Seminary,
forming servant leaders since 1785.